Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to install Python on Windows 11. So you can go over to your web browser and search for Python. So we're going to look for python.org, and here we have welcome to python.org. Click on it, and then it's going to take you to this page. Now there are several tabs here. You're going to go over to downloads. You can see Windows, and here you can see download for Windows Python 3.13.2. So we're going to click on it and wait for it to download. After downloading it, you're going to locate the download folder, and when you find it, you can click on it, and here we have the option to install now or customize installation. Click on install now, and as you can see, the setup was successful. We can close it, and then our search, and then go over to the Windows button, click on it, and search for Python. So here we can see our just installed Python. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.